It's a 2018 Cadillac CTS sedan. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience, and it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, UltraView Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, sport suspension, ultrasonic park assist, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.